Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. My name is Reza, and today I'm here to surprise you with a practical and useful tutorial. If you're using Adobe Illustrator 2024 or earlier, this video is made especially for you. Otherwise, you don't really need to watch this one. Alright, let's jump right into the tutorial and introduce a tool that I personally created by writing a custom script. This tool is called Create Gradient, and you can find it inside the Swatches panel. As you can see, we don't have the Create Gradient option in the Swatches panel settings. Alright, let's move on to introducing and demonstrating the tool. I'll draw a rectangle to show you how the tool works. Then, we'll head over to the Swatches panel. In our current panel, we have two color groups. Now we go to the File menu, find the Scripts option, and open it. From there, we run the script related to the gradient. A window will open. The top section is related to my YouTube channel, and by clicking the button below it, you'll be taken directly to my channel. As for the main option, when you click on it, another window opens where you can see the names of the color groups. If you leave it empty and click OK, the tool will automatically create gradients using all the colors in the Swatches panel. We go again and run the script from the File menu. This time, we select one of the color groups and click OK. Boom! Amazing! Our gradient is created. You can even use color groups from the Illustrator library, or you can create your own color group, select its name in the script, and run it. If you found this video helpful and enjoyed it, please support me by liking the video and subscribing to my channel. Thank you.